Exercise 16b. Section 1. Refer to the shape chart and fill in the blanks in the following table, giving the probability of touching each figure. 1 is done for you. Here 6 figures are given and we need to find the probability of touching each of the figure. The third question is already worked out here. We have a square shape. We need to find out how many times the square shape is given. It is given 1, 2, 3, 4. So square is given 4 times. To find the probability, we know the equation. It is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So we have 4 times square coming here. So it is 4 and a total of 32 figures are given. So it is 4 by 32, or we can reduce it to 1 by 8. Now in the first question, we are given a circle. To find probability of circle being touched, we need to find the number of circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 circles. So to find probability, we can write there are 15 circles. And total number of figures is 32. Probability of touching a circle is 15 divided by 32. In the second figure, we have a rectangle. We need to find the number of rectangles. There is one rectangle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 rectangles. Write the probability of touching a rectangle. It is 8 divided by total number of figures is 32. 8 by 32 we can reduce it as 1 by 4. So that is a probability of touching a rectangle. Fourth question is a triangle. We need to find how many times triangles are given. Triangle, it is 1, 2, 3. Triangles are given 3 times. Probability is 3 divided by 32. Fifth one is a diamond shape. To find the probability, there is only one diamond shape given. Therefore, probability will be 1 by 32. Sixth one, it is a cross shape. So there is only one cross given here. Probability is 1 divided by 32. That is a probability of the 6 different shapes. Question number 2. A box contains 4 packs of chocolates. Shruti takes out a pack without looking at the packs. What is the chance that she picks first one, a perk? So here we have 4 chocolates. Out of that 4, 2 chocolates are Kit Kat, 1 perk and 1 Dairy Milk. Here at first we need to find the probability that Shruti picks a perk. The probability, in short, I can denote it as capital P and I can write in bracket. Probability of Shruti picking a perk. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Here there is only 1 perk, so it is 1 divided by total number of chocolates, it is 4. Probability of Shruti picking a perk is 1 by 4. Now for the B part, we need to find probability of Shruti picking a Kit Kat. That is probability of Shruti picking Kit Kat. In the box we have 2 Kit Kats. Answer will be 2 divided by 4. Or 2 divided by 4 we can reduce it as 1 by 2. Third question. A jar has 1 blue and 9 green marbles in it. What is the probability of drawing a green marble? We have a jar here and we have only 1 blue and rest is all green. First we need to find probability of drawing a green marble. We can write probability of drawing green marble. 9 green marbles are there and total number of marbles is 10. Probability is 9 by 10. Next is probability of blue marble. Probability of drawing blue marble. There's only one blue marble, so probability is 1 divided by 10. Question number 4. The 6 faces of a cube are numbered from 1 to 6. The cube is rolled. What is the chance that it will land with? First one, a 4 up. This case is similar to that of a die. First one, probability of 4 up. 4 up. So to find that, all the faces are numbered 1 to 6. So there is only one face showing 4. Probability is 1 divided by total number of faces is 6. 1 divided by 6. Second part, probability of a 2 up. 2 up. Again 2 is also marked only one time. So probability is again 1 by 6. Fifth question. 5 girls put their names in a box. They are Anjali, Hazel, Ayusri, Ishita and Rashi. Rashi draws a name from the box. What is the chance that she draws her own name? There are 5 girls. Each of them put their names in a box and we need to find probability that Rashi draws her own name. We can write probability that Rashi draws her own name. So 5 names are there. Out of that, Rashi's name can only come one time. So it is 1 divided by total number of names, that is 5. So probability is 1 by 5. Question number 6. An ordinary pack of 52 cards is well shuffled. The top card is turned over. What is the probability that the top card will be a red card? So out of this 52 cards, 26 is red and 26 is black. We can write probability that top card will be red. Total there are 26 red cards, so it is 26 and total number of cards is 52. Now 26 by 52 we can cancel it and write 1 by 2. That is the probability of picking a red card. B part, the top card is a number card. So in the deck of cards we have 4 different shapes, that is one is spade, heart, leaf and diamond. In each of this we have 13 cards each. And among these 13 cards there will be 9 numbered cards for each section. And there are 4 different shapes, so total number of numbered cards is 36. We have 36 numbered cards among these 52 cards. We can write probability of top card is a number card. We have 36 number cards, so it is 36 divided by 52. Now 36 divided by 52 we can cancel, it becomes 9 by 30. So probability of picking number card is 9 by 30. Question number 7. A gift pack of chips contains 2 cheese and onion, 2 plain salted, 3 masala munch and 1 pudina. Tanya takes out a pack of chips without looking at the packs. What is the chance that she picks? First one, a plain salted. Let us first calculate the total number of chips. There are 2 cheese and onion plus 2 plain salted, now 3 masala munch and 1 pudina. Adding all this, we will get a total of 8 packet of chips. Now out of this 8 packet of chips, we need to select each one of this given. At first we can write probability of Tanya picking plain salted. There are 2 plain salted given, so number of favorable is 2. And we have a total of 8 packets of chips. So probability is 2 by 8. Or 2 by 8 we can reduce it as 1 by 4. Next one is probability of Tanya picking masala munch. Here there are 3 masala munch given, so probability is 3 divided by 8. Next is probability that Tanya picks cheese and onion. 2 cheese and onion is given, so probability is 2 divided by 8, or we can reduce it and write 1 by 4. Next is probability that Tanya picks pudina. Here only 1 pudina is given, so probability will be 1 divided by 8.